Hello everyone. So welcome to the channel of RD Automation Learning. So in this video, we are going to tell you about the testing job opportunities for freshers as well as for experienced, the work from home jobs, the remote jobs, the work from office jobs. So all of these things will be shared with you. So before we go on the job opportunities, let me tell you about the free live webinar that is going to happen on upcoming weekend, that is 1st of August. It would be done on the Saturday at 11 a.m. IST. So do attend this webinar. It's free of cost. At least you'll get to know how AI-assisted testing is being done, how agents are being used, how the free agents you can create in your machine, and you can also give the interviews from the AI perspective, right? So we will be telling you about the agents, and you will be also shared the bonus resources. So don't forget to sign up and join the WhatsApp community. So those things will be shared with you. Okay. Now let me tell you about the job opportunities as well. So first job opportunity is for the fresher as well as the interns. So Akamai Technologies is hiring for the QA manual as well as automation testing. This for freshers as well as people who have 1 year of experience. So they are looking for QA interns, freshers with strong QA fundamentals, QA engineers, 1+ years of experience. Right? Tech stack required is Selenium or Playwright or Cypress or APM, and you can apply here. So there's a link for the same. Then the second requirement is for the quality engineering lead. There is QA lead, QA architect. There's a remote job, okay? And it's a client-facing role, and they are looking for somebody who has got US healthcare domain experience. Especially these are the keywords that they are looking for. So there's a remote job, and immediate joiners or candidates serving a short notice period can apply. So you can apply here, right? Then there's a requirement for a senior QA engineer, remote work from home, and the name of the company is Fruition Group. It's a client-based company, service-based company. So they are expecting you to build test automation from ground using Playwright, own the strategy, choose frameworks, and lead quality as a team skills. So this is a email address wherein you have to apply. Then there is a requirement for the quality analyst, and the name of the bank is A Small Finance Bank. They are expecting you to do manual API database and web testing and SDLC and testing activities. Then location is Jaipur, work from office. Experience requires 3 to 5 years. And if you're interested, you can share your updated resume at this email address itself. Then there's a requirement for a QA engineer, which is a remote job, and location is fully remote. Employment type is full time, and they are looking for somebody who has got strong understanding of SDLC, hands-on experience with manual testing and defect management tools, the knowledge of API testing and SQL, familiarity with Agile, Scrum methodologies, excellent analytical communication and problem-solving skills. So if you're interested, you can send your CV to this email address. Then there's a requirement for a senior QA engineer plus team lead. And Akamai Technologies Private Limited is looking for an experienced and motivated senior QA engineer plus lead. Experience required is 2 to 5 years. Shift timings is 7 p.m. to 4 a.m. Salary is 20,000 to 45,000 per month based on experience and interview performance. So you're expected to design and execute test strategies, test plans, test cases, right? Then perform manual, functional, regression, smoke, and exploratory testing, conduct API integration and performance testing, develop and maintain automation testing frameworks. 2 to 5 years of experience is required, and dinner will be provided during the night shift, 1 day office transportation facility, and you can send your updated resume to this email address. Okay. Then there's a requirement for a senior QA automation engineer, and the experience required is 3+ years. The location is remote, and they are looking for somebody who has got some experience in automation testing. Hands-on expertise with Playwright would be preferred. Ability to understand business requirements and fintech experience would be a plus point. Okay. Then Capital Technologies is hiring for QA interns and QA engineers, manual as well as automation testing. So the location is Vadodara, and the qualification required is any bachelor's degree. Employment type would be full-time, domain would be software testing and quality assurance. Tech stack required would be Next.js, Node.js, Flutter, REST APIs, Selenium, Playwright, Cypress, APM, all are the requirements. Okay. Then there's a requirement for Divij Infotech, the PlanetSoft. They are looking for a QA manager who has got experience of 7+ years of experience. Location is Surat, Ahmedabad. So they are looking for somebody who has got expertise in test planning, test strategy, QA processes, 3 to 4+ years of experience as a QA manager or leading an 8 to 10 members of QA team, right? Then there's a walk-in drive on 30th of July, starting from the morning itself, 10 a.m. IST. The venue is second floor and it is second stage near Nagar Bhavi and it is Bangalore location itself. Okay. So you need to carry your resume and your laptop as well. They're looking for few professionals with 3 to 5 years of experience. Right. The email addresses and the website is given. Then there's a requirement for a QA tester. Location is Mohali. Experience 2 to 2.5 years. Requirements is manual testing, API testing, SDLC, test case writing, Jira, right? And these are the domain experience that they are looking, right? So this is the email address where you can send your CV. Okay. Apart from this, there are a few other more remote jobs that I'll share with you. Yeah. So there is a walk-in drive at Bangalore. I think we covered this detail, but let me cover it again just to make you updated. So this is happening today, 10 a.m. onwards it has started. So do go for this particular walk-in drive. It's a good opportunity, 3 to 5 years of experience, mid-level of experience. Location is Bangalore. So make sure that you go over there and attend the walk-in drive, right? So they are looking for somebody who has got experience in automation testing. Okay, but also has got strong experience in SQL, Git, manual testing. All these things would be required, right? So that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching this video. And don't forget to connect with me on Saturday, upcoming Saturday, 1st of August. So it would be live and we will be connecting 11 a.m. IST onwards. It would be 1 hour of a webinar and after that you can ask your questions as well. Plus, if you have something to share with us individually, then you can connect with us for the career guidance call via TopMate. So it would be a 30 minutes call, 1:1. It will not be recorded and it will be just with you, right? 1:1 call. So if you're looking for any mentorship, any career guidance, any mock interview, anything, feel free to connect with us, right? So that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching this video and stay tuned for more updates.